Hello, I am Leaf. I am hungry. Let's make bread. Look, this is wheat. Yellow, tall wheat. I need one grain. Only one. This is my instrument. I'm ready. Whew. I hit it. 1, 2. Watch out! It is falling! It is heavy. I pull. I push. Roll, roll, roll. Go home, grain. This is my mill. Welcome. The grain goes here. Perfect. Now I turn the stone. Round and round. It is hard work, but I am strong. Look! White powder. This is flour. Can you say flour? Let's say it, flour. I collect the flour. 1 spoon, 2 spoons. Now I need water, a drop of dew. Catch it, splash. I pour the water. Mix it together. I knead the dough. This is fun. Oops. Sticky. The dough is sticky. I make a ball. A smooth ball. 1 cut, 2 cuts. Like a star. The oven is hot. Very hot. In you go, little bread. Now we wait. Tick-tock, tick-tock. Look! It is growing. Bigger and bigger. Mmm, it smells so good. Delicious. The bread is ready. It is golden. Can you say be red? Let's say it together. B-R-E-A-D.
Listen, it is crunchy. Crunch.
I cut a slice. 1 for me, 1 for you.
It is warm and soft.
Yummy! Best bread ever. Try some, friend. It is for you. Great job. See you in the forest. Bye-bye.